How to schedule mail on Yahoo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can schedule a mail on Yahoo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Yahoo. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So as you can see, I've just in my Yahoo now. After you're here, simply write a mail. So tap on this plus, the pen icon on the top right corner, right beside the search bar. And after you do that, simply write whomever you want to send this mail to. So let's say I'm sending this to my other mail. And do this and write the subject and write the body. After you do that, you'll see the send button on the top right corner. And right besides it, you'll find a 3-dot option. Tap on the 3 dots. After you tap on it, you'll see an option that says schedule for later. So tap on schedule for later and there you can set your time. Here you can set your date as well. If you want to send it, months later, that works as well. You can see you can only send it, let's see, 1, 2, and 3 months later. So you can send it between 3 months time period. So let's say I want to send it in 23rd of April and on this date, this time at noon, and tap on schedule message, and now the message has been scheduled. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.